I bet you didn't know how easy it is to keep your leather seats looking brand new. Welcome to GearShift TV. Get ready to keep your leather seats looking brand new with these 7 simple tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. I'm GearShift TV hostname, back with another video to help you guys step up your car game. Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious world of leather car seats. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who loves to keep their vehicle in pristine condition, this video is for you. Leather seats are the epitome of class and comfort. They add a touch of luxury to any car, making every drive a more enjoyable experience. But just like any part of your car, they need some love to stay in tip-top shape. Neglecting them can lead to cracks, fading, and a generally worn-out look. Now, leather seats just scream class and comfort, but just like any part of your car, they need some love to stay in tip-top shape. We're gonna go over 7 super practical tips that'll keep your leather seats looking brand new, even if you've had your car for a while. These tips are easy to follow and can be done with items you probably already have at home. First up, regular cleaning is a must. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the surface, causing tiny scratches that dull the leather over time. Use a soft cloth or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove debris. Next, use a leather cleaner that's specifically designed for car seats. Avoid using household cleaners as they can be too harsh and damage the leather. After cleaning, conditioning is key. Leather can dry out and crack if it's not properly moisturized. Apply a high-quality leather conditioner to keep the material supple and prevent it from drying out. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product for the best results. We'll also cover some next-level maintenance tricks that'll have your seats feeling as good as the day they rolled off the lot. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to GearShift TV and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. We have a lot more tips and tricks coming your way, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Grab your cleaning supplies and let's dive into these 7 simple tips to keep your leather seats looking like new. Trust me, your car will thank you for it. Alright guys, just like the exterior of your car, your leather seats are going to get hit with dirt, dust, and grime just from everyday use. Whether it's from the clothes you wear, the food you eat, or just the air around you, all of these elements can contribute to the buildup of unwanted particles on your leather seats. The key here is to stay on top of it. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent these particles from embedding themselves into the leather, which can cause long-term damage and make the seats look worn out. Don't let that stuff build up and embed itself into the leather. Once dirt and grime settle in, it becomes much harder to remove, and can even lead to cracks and tears over time. Now, you don't need any fancy, expensive cleaners here. A simple leather cleaner that you can pick up at any auto parts store will do the trick. These cleaners are specifically formulated to be gentle on leather, while effectively removing dirt and grime. A simple leather cleaner that you can pick up at any auto parts store will do the trick. Look for one that is pH balanced and free from harsh chemicals, as these can damage the leather over time. Make sure you grab a microfiber cloth too. Those are your best friend when it comes to cleaning delicate surfaces like leather. Microfiber cloths are soft and non-abrasive, which means they won't scratch or damage the leather while you're cleaning. Spray your cleaner onto the cloth, not directly onto the seats, and gently wipe down the entire surface. This method ensures that the cleaner is evenly distributed and prevents any excess liquid from seeping into the leather. You want to work in small, circular motions to really lift the dirt out. This technique helps to agitate the dirt particles and makes it easier to remove them from the surface of the leather. Once you've gone over everything, grab a clean damp cloth and wipe away any leftover cleaner residue. This step is crucial to ensure that no cleaner is left behind, which can attract more dirt and cause the leather to become sticky. And that's it. Simple, right? Regular cleaning doesn't have to be a chore, and it can be quite satisfying to see your leather seats looking fresh and new again. Doing this regularly will prevent dirt from settling in and keep your leather looking fresh. Not only will this maintain the aesthetic appeal of your car's interior, but it will also extend the lifespan of your leather seats, saving you money in the long run. Okay, so we've tackled the cleaning part, but there's another silent killer out there that can wreak havoc on your leather seats: the sun. You see, prolonged exposure to those harsh UV rays can actually fade and dry out your leather, leading to cracks and discoloration over time. Nobody wants that, right? So how do we fight back? Well, first off, whenever you park your car, try to find a shady spot. If you can't find any shade, invest in a good quality sunshade for your windshield. These things are lifesavers, literally preventing the sun from baking your interior. For the ultimate protection, consider getting yourself a car cover. This will completely shield your car from the elements, including those harmful UV rays. Alright, so we've cleaned our seats, we're protecting them from the sun, but there's one more crucial step to keeping that leather feeling soft and supple, moisturizing. Think of it like skincare for your car seats. Just like our skin needs lotion to stay hydrated, leather needs conditioner to prevent it from drying out and cracking. There are tons of great leather conditioners out there, so pick one up from your local auto parts store. Now, when it comes to application, less is more. You don't want to soak the leather, just give it a light, even coat. Apply the conditioner to a clean microfiber cloth, and work it into the leather using gentle, circular motions. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to really soak in, then buff away any excess with a clean cloth. For best results, aim to condition your leather seats every 2 to 3 months. This regular maintenance will ensure that your seats remain in top condition, preventing any premature aging or wear. Not only does conditioning keep the leather soft, but it also enhances the overall appearance of your car's interior. When you condition your seats, you're adding a layer of protection that helps repel dirt and spills, making future cleanings easier. Over time, untreated leather can become brittle and start to crack, which not only looks bad but can also be uncomfortable to sit on. Investing in a good leather conditioner is a small price to pay for the longevity and comfort of your car seats. Remember, the key is consistency. Make it a habit to condition your seats regularly, and they will thank you by staying in great shape. So, take the time to pamper your car's leather seats. After all, they deserve the same care and attention as your own skin. Next time you're at the auto parts store, don't forget to grab a bottle of leather conditioner. Your car seats will thank you, and there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your leather seats looking and feeling their best. Happy driving and enjoy the comfort of your well-maintained leather seats. Chapter 4. We've covered cleaning, sun protection, and moisturizing, but now it's time to talk about preventing physical damage to your precious leather seats. Sharp objects like keys, pens, even those rivets on your jeans can scratch and puncture leather, leaving it looking less than pristine. The easiest way to avoid this is to be mindful of what you're bringing into your car, and where you're putting it. Avoid tossing your keys or phone onto the seat, and if you're carrying anything sharp, make sure it's securely stored away. For added protection, consider using seat covers. Now, I know some people aren't crazy about the look of seat covers, but there are some really sleek and stylish options out there that won't cramp your car's style. Chapter 5. Stains. Act fast and conquer. Let's face it, accidents happen. Whether it's a spilled cup of coffee or a rogue French fry dipped in ketchup, stains are a part of life. But the good news is, if you act quickly, you can usually prevent them from setting into your leather seats. The key here is to blot, not rub. Rubbing will only spread the stain and work it deeper into the leather. Grab a clean, absorbent cloth or paper towel and gently blot the spill, working from the center outward. Once you've soaked up as much as you can, use a leather cleaner and a damp cloth to gently clean the affected area. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage the leather. Chapter 6. Professional touch. When only the best will do. All right, guys, we've covered a lot of DIY maintenance tips, but sometimes you need to call in the professionals. Just like you take your car in for regular servicing, your leather seats can benefit from professional attention once or twice a year. Leather specialists have the tools and expertise to deep clean, condition, and even re-dye your leather, restoring it to its former glory. They can also repair minor scratches, cracks, and tears, making your seats look brand new again. Think of it as an investment in the longevity and resale value of your car. Chapter 7. Temperature control. Beat the heat. Okay, so we've talked about cleaning, protecting, and moisturizing your leather seats, but there's one more factor that can affect their longevity: temperature. Extreme heat, like what you'd experience inside a parked car on a scorching summer day, can cause leather to dry out, fade, and even crack. To combat this, make use of your car's air conditioning. Before you get out of your car, crank up the AC for a few minutes to cool down the interior. This will help prevent the leather from baking in the heat. And remember those sunshades and car covers we talked about earlier? They'll also help regulate the temperature inside your car, keeping your leather seats happy and healthy. Outro luxury that lasts. Show your leather some love. There you have it, GearShift fam. 7 simple yet effective tips to keep your leather car seats looking factory fresh. Remember, leather seats add a touch of luxury and comfort to your ride, but they need a little TLC to stay in top condition. By following these tips, you can prevent premature wear and tear, preserve that luxurious feel, and keep your seats looking and smelling amazing for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe to GearShift TV for more awesome car care content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep those rides shining.